Hello everyone, welcome to this module of File Internal Angles 30 Minutes Accuracy Open Angular Fit. In this video, we will learn to read angular measurements using Bevel Protractor, understand parts of a vernier caliper, and to read a vernier caliper as per the required accuracy. We will also understand the procedure to file internal angles with 30-minute accuracy for angular fit. A vernier bevel protractor is used to take angular measurements. There are two graduations. The main scale division, MSD. For purposes of taking angular measurements, the full circumference of the dial is graduated in degrees. The 360 degrees are equally divided and marked in 4 quadrants, from 0 degree to 90 degrees, 90 degrees to 0 degrees. Every 10th division is marked longer and numbered. Each division represents 1 degree. The graduations on the dial are known as the main scale divisions. The vernier scale division, VSD. On the disc, 23 divisions spacing of the main scale is equally divided into 12 equal parts on the vernier. Each third line is marked longer and numbered as 0, 15, 30, 45, 60. This constitutes the vernier scale. Similar graduations are marked to the left of 0 also. The least count of the vernier bevel protractor. When the 0 of the vernier scale coincides with the 0 of the main scale, the first division of the vernier scale will be very close to the second main scale division. Now, 1 MSD is equal to 1 degrees. 1 VSD is equal to 23 by 12 degrees. Hence, the least count is calculated as least count is equal to 2 MSD minus 1 VSD, which is equal to 2 degrees minus 23 by 12 degrees, which is equal to 24 minus 23 by 12 degrees, which is equal to 1 by 12 degrees since 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, which is equal to 1 by 12 degrees into 60, which is equal to 5 minutes. Therefore, least count of vernier bevel protractor is equal to 5 minutes. For reading acute angle setup. First, read the number of whole degrees between 0 of the main scale and 0 of the vernier scale. Note the line on the vernier scale that exactly coincides with any one of the main scale divisions and determines its value in minutes. To take the vernier scale reading, multiply the coinciding divisions with the least count. Example, 10 into 5 minutes is equal to 50 minutes. Total up both the readings to get the measurements, which is equal to 41 degrees 50 minutes. If you read the main scale in an anti-clockwise direction, read the vernier scale also in an anti-clockwise direction from 0. The vernier scale reading up is taken on the left side as indicated by the arrow. The reading value is subtracted from 180 degrees to get the obtuse angle value. Reading is 22 degrees 30 minutes. To subtract reading value from 180 degrees. Measurement is equal to 180 degrees minus 22 degrees 30 minutes since 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, which is equal to 179 degrees 60 minutes minus 22 degrees 30 minutes, which is equal to 157 degrees 30 minutes. Care and maintenance of vernier bevel protractor. Clean the vernier bevel protractor before use. Loosen the locking screw of dial to move the blade according to the angle measurement. While taking a measurement, apply light pressure on vernier bevel protractor. Heavy pressure will force the two scales out of parallel and show the false reading. After using vernier bevel protractor, wipe it clean and apply a thin coating of oil and keep it in safe place. Now let us see the different parts of a vernier caliper. Fixed jaws 1 and 2. Fixed jaws are part of the beam scale. One jaw is used for taking external measurements and the other for taking internal measurements. Movable jaws 3 and 4. Movable jaws are part of the vernier slide. One jaw is used for external measurements and the other for internal measurements. Vernier slide 5. A vernier slide moves over the beam and can be set in any position by means of a spring-loaded thumb lever. Beam 6. The vernier slide and the depth bar attached to it slide over the beam. The graduations on the beam are called the main scale divisions. Depth bar 7. The depth bar is attached to the vernier slide and is used for measurement of depth. Thumb lever 8. The thumb lever is spring-loaded, which helps to set the vernier slide in any position on the beam scale. Vernier scale 9. The vernier scale is the graduation marked on the vernier slide. The divisions of this scale are called vernier divisions. Main scale. The main scale graduations or divisions are marked on the beam. Determining the least count of vernier caliper. 49 main scale divisions are equal to 50 vernier scale divisions. Therefore, 1 VSD is equal to 49 upon 50 millimeters. 1 MSD is equal to 1 millimeters. Least count is equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD, which is equal to 1 millimeter minus 49 by 50 millimeter, which is equal to 50 minus 49 by 50 millimeters, which is equal to 1 by 50 millimeters, which is equal to 0.02 millimeters. Therefore, least count of vernier caliper is equal to 0.02 millimeters. 1 inch of the main scale is divided into 10 major divisions, and each of these is further divided into 4 equal parts. The value of each division is 1 by 10 into 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 40 inches, which is equal to 0.025 inches. One main scale division is divided into 25 divisions on vernier scale. Therefore, least count is equal to 1 by 40 inches divided by 25, which is equal to 1 by 40 inches into 1 by 25, which is equal to 1 by 1000 inches, which is equal to 0.001 inches. Therefore, least count of vernier caliper is equal to 0.001 inches. To file internal angles with 30-minute accuracy for angular fit. Check the raw material size. File part 1 and 2 to overall size 74 by 47 by 9 millimeters, maintaining flat and squareness. Apply marking media on the surface and mark dimension lines on part 1 and 2 as per job drawing. Punch witness marks on part 1 and 2. Drill diameter 3 mm relief holes in part 1 and 2. Hacksaw and remove the excess metal in part 1 and file the cut portion to size and shape, maintaining the accuracy plus or minus 0.04 mm and angles 30 minutes. Chain drill, chip, hacksaw and remove the excess metal in part 2 and file to size and shape. Check the size with vernier caliper and angles with vernier bevel protractor. Match part 1 and 2. Apply a little oil and preserve it for evaluation.
In this video, we learned to measure angles accurately by understanding the graduations and least count of the vernier bevel protractor, different parts of vernier caliper and its least count to measure linear dimensions accurately. procedure of filing internal angles to a 30-minute accuracy and matching sliding paths to create an angular fit. Thank you for watching.